Hi and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play Lucid Dreams by Juice WRLD. To play in the original key we're going to need a capo on the 2nd fret, but anyway I'm going to do the tutorial without the capo, so you can follow the tutorial if you don't have a capo at home. Before we continue, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. And take your guitar and let's begin. We start placing the pinky finger on the 3rd fret 1st string and the index finger on the 2nd fret 4th string. And with the right hand we play the 1st string with the ring finger, then 4th string with the thumb, and 2nd string with the middle finger. And then we play again the 1st string, and then we have the 1st chord. Pay attention to the rhythm. Okay, and then we lift the left hand and we put the middle finger on the 2nd fret 1st string and we play the 4th string open. And after that we're going to use the same rhythm that we did on the 1st chord. Okay, you get it? So let's try to play those two chords together. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect. And now we come with the ring finger to the 3rd fret 5th string and the index finger 2nd fret 3rd string. And now we're going to play those tones at the same time. Okay, at the same time. And after that we play 1st string, 5th, 3rd, 1st. It's the same pattern that we did on the other chords, but this time the thumb and change to the 5th string, and instead of playing the 2nd string we play the 3rd with the index finger. Okay, so when we play from the beginning, let's try to play that part together. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, and now we're going to play the 5th string and we change to the 2nd fret 5th string. Here we're going to play the 5th string and the 1st string at the same time. The 1st string with the ring finger. And then we put the 2nd finger on the 2nd fret 3rd string and the pinky finger on the 4th fret 2nd string. And we play 3rd string and 2nd. So the last chord sounds like this. Okay, and there we have the first line, measures 1 and 2. I play it one time and then we try together. Okay, so now let's try to play it together. 1, 2, 3, and... Nice, let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Nice. And then when we arrive to the third and fourth measures, they are exactly the same as the first and second, but when we end the fourth measure, we're going to add an extra tone there, and is that we play again the fifth string when we have that chord. We play again the first string to change to the next chord, where we're going to start with the third finger, ring finger, on the third fret, fifth string. So we do like that. So when we play the fourth measure and the first tone of the fifth measure, sounds like this. Okay, you get it? So now we can play together from the measure 1 to the first tone of the measure 5. So measure 1, 2, 3, 4, and first tone of the measure 5. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, so now when we are on the measure 5, the middle finger that we had before, we can leave it there. So now we have the ring finger on the third fret, fifth string, and with the right hand we're going to play the strings 5, 3, and 1 with the thumb, index finger, ring finger. And then we play again the third string, and we add the pinky finger to the third fret, first string. After that we play the first string open, so we have to lift the pinky finger again. And we play the third string again. Okay, so now we are going to keep the middle finger left there, but the ring finger is going to move to the same fret, but the sixth string. And we play the sixth string, fourth and third at the same time. Okay, but right before that, we're going to play only the sixth string. Like that. So when we come from the measure 5, let's try to play that part together. 1, 2, 3, 4. More time. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect. And when we have played that chord, we lift the middle finger and we play the third and fourth strings. And then we play again 6th, 4th and 3rd. After that we're going to put a B7 like that, but we're going to play with the thumb. We play the 5th string, 4th as well with the thumb, and then 1st string with the ring finger and 2nd string with the middle finger. So when we play the 6th measure, sounds like this. time. So now I'm going to put together the measure 5 and 6. I play it one more time. Perfect, and then we arrive to the measure 7. There we're going to play a C, playing the thumb the 5th string, and then the index finger 3rd string, middle finger 2nd, and ring finger the 1st. But we're going to play it a little bit like an arpeggio, like that. After that, we place the pinky finger on the 3rd fret, 2nd string, and then we lift it again. Okay, and now 2nd finger on the 2nd fret, 6th string, 3rd finger on the 2nd fret, 3rd string, and with the right hand we play the 6th string, 3rd and 2nd. Then we play again only the 2nd and 3rd, and E minor. Okay, so now I'm going to play from the measure 5 to the end. Let's try to play those measures together. Measure 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3 and... Okay, so now we can put everything together. I'm going to play it one time and then we'll try together from the beginning. Perfect, and now let's try together. 1, 2, 3 and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3 and... And that was Lucid Dreams by Juice WRLD. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe And if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. I remind you that if you want to download the tabs for the song, you can visit my website, EasyGuitarTube.com, where you're going to find many other tutorials with the tabs. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.